Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi. So today I wanted to address a question, and I figured that I would address this question in not like a normal video, just like in a vlog, because I have had a few people, subscribers, ask, am I still into luxury? And this is a very valid question, because when I started my YouTube channel a few years ago, it was primarily just luxury. It was unboxings, it was reviews on bags or luxury items, and that was pretty much the most of my videos for the first couple of years. And then slowly but surely I've always been doing vlogs, but I've been slowly transitioning not so much into luxury, but kind of just like lifestyle and everything. And I know that a lot of people are subscribed here for the luxury, and so it is a very valid question. Now I'm gonna say yes and no, I'm still into it. However, mostly no. So I really do appreciate luxury, and I love luxury for many reasons. I feel like a lot of it's quality, a lot of it is, good to look at, a lot of it lasts a long time, and there's many explanations, and I do enjoy fine things. So am I still into it? When I say no, I would say no, because I'm not really obsessed like I used to be. So long ago, I was like pretty much like I would like watch YouTube videos, all YouTube videos on luxury, on unboxings, on purses. I would decide what purse am I going to get next, what bag am I going to get next, what shoes, whatever. Actually, not really shoes. I keep wanting to buy luxury shoes, but I end up returning it or not keeping it. So the list went on in that case, and it was just one thing after another, and it started feeling very unhealthy for me. It was a hobby at first, and it was a fun hobby, and I was able to enjoy it with you guys, but then it started becoming too much, where I started feeling guilty about it. I also felt like it wasn't healthy, and I felt like I was kind of having a shopping addiction, which I don't like. Like prior to meeting JT and him buying my first purse, how long ago, like 10 years ago or so, I was very simple. I barely shopped. I mean, I shopped, but okay, I did shop, but I was into fashion, but I was into more like affordable fashion, and I didn't care for the luxury of the names. And so it was kind of interesting how it shifted, just because of where I was living. A lot of that was very popular in La Cantera, San Antonio vibes. And then I would say 5 years ago is when I moved to Denver, and then Boulder, and then now Hawaii, Kailua, Hawaii. So my places that I've been, I feel like you kind of adapt to where you're at, and each place kept getting more and more casual, and less I feel the need to like be in an environment with luxury. So there's like luxury houses and cars. Yeah, I really enjoy actually houses, nice houses, more than I do purses. So I am into luxury still, but I'm not as addicted or unhealthily like buying things as I did before. And so stay tuned. I hope you guys stick around. I am still planning on doing lifestyle videos, travel vlogs, and also like just kind of life in general, if you guys like enjoy that. And I still plan on doing luxury videos and styling videos, but the luxury is not as obsessed or every single video as it used to be. So I felt like I kind of owed you guys an explanation that yes, I'm still into it, but no, I'm not as like obsessed as I used to be. So stick around. I hope you guys like everything. Leave comments as to what your guys' thoughts are. I did feel like back in the days, I was kind of feeling like I was keeping up with the Jones and trying to buy the newest bag, or what can I do to buy something that gives me that that feeling of like, I don't know, after you buy that purse or you buy something nice, it's always kind of like this like high or something. It feels good to buy that, and that's like so unhealthy. And I realized that like all part of like the game, or the whoever they are or whatever they want, or whoever they want. Wow, I sound crazy. So I feel like the main narrative is for people to like consumerism, and I find that we are in a society of overconsumption, and I don't mind like everything in moderation. So before it was a little too much, and now it is in moderation. So alrighty guys, I may get a purse. Speaking on the note, I might get a purse maybe on my birthday, but then I always like go back and forth, and I kind of just think, oh my gosh, I much rather travel. I much rather like like I said, like snorkel. I must free dive. I want to do all these adventures. I want to go on boats. We want to get a boat. And so I want to like do more adventurous things. So my mindset also is I'm very much into adventure and living life and kind of going back to who I truly am, and that's that little girl who was always playing outside in nature and always like playing and being in the forest, trees, in the water, and just like living life as I was, you know? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. So a lot of my videos are adventure and nature and hikes and like Hawaii adventures and stuff like that. So bear with me, and I hope you guys stick around, and feel free, like I said, to leave comments down below. All right, I'll see you guys later. And then stay tuned, I might have a vlog after this. And it probably is ocean adventure stuff. All right guys, I'll see you later. Bye. It's so nice.
I came out and I was
I'm with my friend. Oh, say hi. We were neighbors and really good friends in Boulder. And now they're here. Yeah, so happy. Yeah. And we're visiting them here at the Four Seasons, but it's about, it's on the other side of the island, but it's so beautiful. I'll have to show you a little bit more, but JT and the boys. She has a YouTube channel. I love her YouTube channel, all about Boulder. What is your channel called?
Now is Ikuko, Colorado.
Yeah, I love it. I'll put it and link it down below. She has beautiful content about Boulder and daily life. I love it. It makes me miss home. Do you want to go in, Atlee? No? I'm going to show the lagoon real quick. Okay, just use your hands.
Do you want to try the kids pool? Then I will go with you.
So we're at the Four Seasons right now. I want to show you here in Kualina they have like the lagoons and stuff, and this is one of the lagoons behind the Four Seasons Resort. Let me show you. Do you feel warm now?
Back to the cold. Okay.
You ready to go back in the cold? Okay. Yeah. What is Kai doing? Kai, hello.
Looks like silly.
You're so funny.
I wish I had if I had a hot tub.
Oh, I want to. Okay. Thank you. It's first time. 1, 2, 3. Yay! The rocks are so different. Yeah, those are definitely lava rocks.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, those are kind of interesting. Maybe they're not, because they're light colored. Usually I thought lava was like black, you know?
Right.
So pretty.
Maybe too dry?
Maybe coral? Who knows?
Maybe coral.
Maybe, yeah, because the black ones look like lava rock. And then those maybe could be like some kind of coral or something. Or, yeah, who knows?
It's branding.
So pretty. So we just left the resort, and where are we at? What is this, you think? We can't figure out what kind of rock it is.
Kualina
Like
Resort Sea Line.
Sea Line, yeah, yes. I don't know. You've been in my other vlogs, right? In Colorado? Yeah. Yeah, she's been in a few of my vlogs in Colorado, or at least
Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe. For some reason I thought so. But anyways, yeah, I love that we're together again. We spent all last year together when we were in the lake house, and it's just such a good feeling to be back with, like, you know, a friend that you know you'll be friends with forever, you know. But yeah, this is so pretty. Ooh, I look a little crazy. But right now I can't figure out what the types of rocks are. So it's like light, but I wonder if they're like the base of the coral. And then I know the black ones over there are lava. Oh yeah, that's the third lagoon, I think. I think so, yeah. Is Atlee okay?
Yeah, they're cool.
There's Atlee! Ah! Look at the views out here! Oh. So nice. We're down there and then that's the one of the coves.